国际新闻来关心，昨昏2005年头一天，美国就发生恐怖攻击。这是伫纽奥良一个德州来的42岁美国公民，伊车驶真紧，佮弄向人阵，造成15个人死亡，35个人受伤。尾啊，伊是互警方开枪弹死。警方伫伊的车顶有超出 ISIS 的机啊，佮伫其他的所在找到爆炸的装置。调查人员认为，伊可能也佮有其他的共犯。
路的有几多人倒伫咧涂骹，规身躯拢全毁。纽奥良正正入2005年3点外钟，就发生超工赛车弄规阵人的案件，造成重大死伤。有人被弄飞起来了，搁摔喺涂骹；有人伫现场做心肺复苏术。受伤的包括警察甲乔治亚大学学生。
Sound of crunching metal and bodies.
警方伫凶险的车内找到恐怖攻击的敏感证物，确定嫌犯是42岁来自德州的查甫人贾巴，伊是美国公民，超工开车向规阵人的所在弄过去，佮落车开枪，互警方开枪拍死。
He was driving a Ford pickup truck, which appears to be rented. And we are working to confirm how the subject became in possession of this vehicle. Weapons and potential improvised explosive devices, IEDs, were located in the subject's vehicle. Other potential IEDs were also located in the French Quarter. We do not believe that Jabbar was solely responsible.
And it was very intentional behavior. This man was trying to run over as many people as he possibly could. It was not a DUI situation.
案发的地点伫咧纽奥良市法国区正有历史的旅游景点，以音乐甲酒吧有名。路易斯安那州宣布紧急状态。伫即天有全美国大学的美式足球赛季后赛腾杯伫当地举行8强赛，乔治亚大学对圣母大学的比赛将会延后一天。公司新闻黄文玲编译。